Welcome to another episode of our ArchiCAD tutorial. My name is ArchiGPT, and today we are going to be looking at module 7, which is layouts and printing. So if this is your first time coming across my video or channel, do well to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you can get updated on subsequent video uploads. We don't just teach ArchiCAD, we teach other BIM softwares and extend to rendering softwares as well, like Revit. We teach BIM softwares like Revit, SketchUp, and the basic ones we know, Rhino, and you know the names. Then we also teach rendering softwares like D5, Twinmotion, 3ds Max, and Corona, V-Ray, and all those softwares. Okay, without wasting much of your time, let's head right into the business of today. In our last session, we talked about documentation and 2D output, and just a quick recap, we talked about floor plan setup, section and elevations, 3D documents, annotation and dimensions, labels and markers. Those are very simple topics, and I believe we've done something about them in the initials, in the beginning of our videos, of our tutorial. So if you are left behind, do well to check out previous videos and get yourself updated. All right, moving forward to what we have for today, we are first going to, what we have for today is layouts and printing. So what you are seeing on screen is a layout with elevations, and what we are going to be talking about is layout, book setup, title block and drawing organization, then publishing, drawings and their format, then pen sets and graphics override. In our last class, we talked about how to customize your pens, the thickness, the color, and that. If you want to understand what I'm talking about, check out the previous video. If you still don't get it, come and watch this video, because I think I may touch that area. But if I don't, and you don't understand, drop a question in the comment section and I'll address it specially. Alright, enough of the chit chat. Layout, book setup. What you are seeing on screen right now is a layout. Now for the layout book, if you click on your project navigator, and the last section, you see layout book. Now layout book is kind of like a file that has all the drawings organized. For example, we have the main folder heading, main folder, which has a subsheet file and other files for other aspects of the drawings. Now the first file name is A1 split, the first one is A02 floor plans, the third one is A03 elevation. So that means the first one is for splits, drawings that I split into different pages, because I said in previous videos that this was my year 2 project, my first semester year 2 project in university. So I'm using it to explain, because I always use ArchiCAD back then in school, University of Nigeria to be precise. So this is the layout I used, and sometimes I do split my drawings into larger sheets. All right, so for that, now back to what we're saying. The split has layouts that has drawings which were split because the site plan was done in a bigger sheet, but I needed to combine them. That's why I had to split them into different A3s. So that aside, let's go to the floor plans that are all in one sheet. So if I click on the first one says ground floor, and I did a camera view here. Interior, okay, this is supposed to be an interior perspective. I think camera has shifted. Let's check which one still has its camera intact. Interior perspective of the kitchen. I think because I'm trying to achieve something. It doesn't for movement with orientation. So I rotated I think cameras and flipped them as well. But I am not too sure. But let's see when it finished updating if I really included the cameras while flipping. So while we are waiting for that view to load, I think I'm not going to be opening views right now because it takes quite some time to load when you are opening it for the first time in a while. So while we are doing that, okay, I think the camera, I didn't select the camera. I did not select the camera. So I think majority of my views here are now wrong. I have to go and orient them properly. But views aside, let's go to the site plan, the layout for the site plan. Alright, layout of the site plan stays intact. Now this is what I was trying to achieve. Initially the entrance was here, which is bad because this is a traffic. The entrance was here, which is bad because this is a traffic zone. So I wanted to flip the building this way, but this is a major road, and according to our brief, this is the minor road. So I had to look for a way to make the major entrance, make the entrance out of the major road and take it out of the traffic zone. So I had to move it here, and that would mean me flipping my design. So that's what resulted in this, as I hope you understand. Now this is my drawing, this is my layout. Now how was I able to create this layout? Don't mind what's happening on the screen. How was I able to create this layout? It is through what we call master layout. If you click there, you see it's masters. That's, you click your project navigator and you click on layout book, and you scroll down to the end, you see masters. Now this master is creating a prototype of the sheets you want to be using. As you can see, we have A4, A3, A2, A1, master layout 5. So if you check, I have already customized my A3 to what I need. So if I need to change anything here, I just have to change it, and then it reflects on all other aspects of the project. So I can decide to do this 4-bedroom bungalow, design. Okay, and once I do that, it's going to be updated in all my sheets. Let's go to the site layout again, and then have you seen what just happened? So that's it. Now you go to every sheet in this layout book that master layout is used, it updates automatically. So interior perspective of living room, the camera is not right, so bear with me, it's not properly set because of that changes I told you I did. So that's that. So how to put views into your sheet. Now let's create a new sheet. Let me check. There is a camera in the living room that should be showing the interior. Let's see. Okay, we are here. So this is a camera in the living room that should be showing the interior, but rather it is showing this way, which is not nice. So let's make the camera show what it should be showing. So alright, so I want to move the camera such that it's showing what it should. Alright, so it's the focal point is the TV console, and then the angle is this way. So let's go to the interior of the living room and see what happens. So this guy should update because I think it's the one. Update view. Let's see. Isn't it the one? Alright, that's alright, hold on. I'm tweaking some things. So let's find the camera, and this is let's check what the camera name is. My scenes 00, my scenes. So camera 2. Let's check on the cameras. Go to the cameras. My scenes camera 2. So camera 2 is what we alright. So this is the TV console, exactly as I told you. So the TV console is viewing the couch and the TV. As you can see, this is the couch, this is the TV. But then the height of the camera is quite high. So let's make that 1.2 and see what happens. Okay, so you see it has updated. Now what I didn't know if I showed you was how to turn this view into a 3D document. So if you right click on your screen, I think there used to be an option to convert to 3D documents. Let's see if I'm in the right place. So 3D. Okay. Okay, so that's how we do it. You go to the project navigator, go to the view, and then say create new 3D document from 3D. So that's how you do it. And that's our 3D document name. So I would have just typed interior perspective, but let's try it again. Interior perspective. Okay, so now it will generate a view. So that is the view, and you can adjust the boundaries of the view. So can you? Okay, you can adjust it by adjusting the camera view and all those things. So back to our 3D document. If you check, you will see we have the last one created, interior perspective. That is what we just created. Alright, so now to put it in sheet, you can just go to your master layout. Go to your master layout, the layout book. The layout book. Then you create a sheet. Let me close all the sheets. Close all the sheets. Now I'll create a sheet under this floor plans. Should I? Or let me create a new folder for interiors. I think new folders. Okay, new subsheet. So subsheet is gonna be interior perspective. Okay, so that's the name of the subsheet I'm creating. So we have interior perspective. Now under this interior perspective, I now create a new layout. Now the new layout, I am going to be using my customized A3 layout. So click on customize, on that A3 layout for my master layout. So I say create. Now it will create a blank sheet. Now all I have to do is right click and say place drawings. So if I say place drawings, it's going to take me to my project navigator. So I'll look for the drawing I want to place. While I'm scrolling down, because I'm scrolling to find the 3D interior I just created. So that's it. As you can see, I say place. Now it's going to place the drawings for me. So this is in a scale of 1:100. If I change the scale to 1:50, it will be bigger. Change it 1:20, way bigger. So I think 1:20 will work for me, and move it to where it should be. Alright, so I think I have my view there. I can choose to edit the boundaries, or move the whole view. So any of it that you feel you can do, it's okay. So we can also decide to move the views and update the frame to view more. So if this is done, you just click on that update, and ArchiCAD is going to update the view by filling out other aspects. It's supposed to fill out other aspects, but don't worry. Let's see. Select the plan, go to the views. So this is the distance, this is the height, this is camera position, and okay, that's everything. What you see here, don't get confused. It's pretty simple. Camera Z target point. This is the height at which the camera is standing, 1.2 meters above ground. This is the target at which the camera is aiming at, 1.255. Yeah, so it's almost looking straight. If you want it to look up, you can change this aiming to 1.5, 1.8, 2.1, and the rest. If you want it to look to the ceiling, you know what to do. Increase it. The more you increase it, the more it looks up. The more you release it, the more it looks down, based on where your camera position is. So that's basically how to tweak your camera. There's no long deal about it. And I think how to place your camera, let me just do that, because I don't think I have done that in any of our tutorial sessions before. So just go to your more and you see camera tool at the end. That's one of the last options there. So when you click on that camera, you come to anywhere you want to place a camera. Let's say I want to view this room, so my camera position is here for the meantime. I click on that position and then tell me which distance do I want to view it from. I say that. So I have a camera that is viewing this bedroom from here, here and here. So I will find the camera in my views. So I select the camera, check the name of the camera, it's my scene, and it's camera 7. So the initial position of the camera is 900, and the initial position of the camera is 2100, and it's looking down to 900. I don't know, do you understand? So but then let's make it 1800. So I am coming into the room, my height is 1800, or let's use my height is 1500, 1.5 meters, and I'm looking at 900. That's I'm looking on the bed or on the seal level, practically on the seal level, so it's going to be showing the bed. So let's see, we've done that, apply, and then let's go and find camera 7. So close, go to the views, camera 7. That's one I just clicked, as you can see. I hope you are following. So sorry. So that's basically what it is. The camera is viewing the bed, the side table, seal height and all. So it's just the basics. This is that bed side table you are seeing in the 3D. This one, and this is the window. You see this window, you see here, while this other one is the one behind the bed. This, so hope we understand. This is basic. All right, so that's it. Now that you've created this, you must turn it to a 3D document before you can take it to your sheet. So by turning it to 3D document, you just you move to your layout, then right click, create 3D document. From that, you name it bedroom interior. So that done, you have something named bedroom interior as a 3D document, and basically that's everything. It will now be here as your last 3D document of bedroom interior. So you can now go and create a sheet and import it into your sheet. So right click, new sheet, select your master layout, and then you create. Now that you've created it, you go to your 3D document. You could just right click on screen and say place document, go to your 3D document, the last one, which is bedroom interior, and place. So increase the scale, like I earlier said, 20 or maybe 10. You can also choose to increase the view area, because I think this view area is too small, it's too wide. So let's see how we can tweak that. So select the camera, the width and the height. Let's see if we can tweak that. Okay. For the meantime, I think that's something we are going to work on our next video, because I don't want to make this video too lengthy. Let's head over to converting to PDFs or printable formats, PDFs or DWG. Now, first thing for you to know, converting to PDF is very easy. As far as you've succeeded to put your drawings in sheets and place, you've done your layout and put your drawings in sheets, you could just go to your file and say print. Now, if you say print, it's going to bring out this. Converting to PDF is easy. It's already set to Microsoft Print to PDF, which is good. But if you want to change your setup and print it formally, you select from your printers and that. But make sure that your sheet matches the sheet you use in your design. So A3 landscape. Okay. Have you noticed how everything sits properly now? Alright, so with that done, they say select print range all pages, but it's just one page that's added, or should be header and footer. So all these things have to just plug and know what you want. Then for the copies, you select how many copies you want to print or you want each sheet to convert into. So one is fine for PDF, and then for these pages we only have one we are working with. I'll show you how to do more pages. So if you say print, it's going to convert to PDF. Now it's going to bring up this and ask us what title we want to save it as. So I can click a default place and just say test PDF in my desktop and say save. Now it's going to convert this particular page alone into a PDF document that can be sent across any platform. So it's done. Let's go to our desktop and find test PDF. Look at this. Okay, so open Fox's PDF. So it's going to open. Let's give it some time. So it has opened, and this is it, as you can see. So we have our PDF well done. So that's that. Okay, what else do we need? We okay, so this is where we are. This is where we are now. That's that for converting documents into PDF and all. What else? Pen sets and graphics override. Alright, so remember how we changed our pen from here, options, elements, there's pen and colors. That's where we change our pens. So this is where you create new lines, this is where you change your pens. So that's now, as you can see, we have O3 architectural something. So O3 architectural, that's the pen set we are using. So if you want to alternate any pen here in O3 architectural 100, it's going to reflect in pen set you are using. But then if you don't like O3 architectural, and you want to use for building plans, you can also customize the things and then update this. When you are done, you click on OK, and then you go update this. Like you click on, when you are done making your changes to the pens and all, when you select any, you see the thickness, you see the line name and all that. So in building plans we have 0.5 thickness and all that, but in architectural we don't have. We have 0.35 as the highest thickness. So building plans, we could say OK, and then come here, change it to building plans. Okay, so you see building plans already there. So that's it. That's how to change your pen thickness. Try it and see the results for yourself. I think we've come to the end of our tutorial for today. If you've watched up to this point, it will be good if you first of all, if you've watched up to this point, glad you made it to this minute, and I hope you found this helpful and educative. Do well to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, because we'll be dropping more of things like this which will help you in your academics and in making progress anywhere this skill is necessary or in need. All right, that's enough. That's all we have. Do well to like and share this to your friends, colleagues, mentors, mentees, and family if need be. Anyone that you feel need this skill in their career or in their day-to-day life, share this video with them. And if you have any questions, do well to leave it in the comment section, and I will go through and address your concerns in any way I see most suitable. Okay, all right, so we'll call it a day today, and expect a summary video, or do well to check out other softwares like Revit. Revit tutorials is ongoing, and we will be spreading to other BIM softwares pretty soon. Have a nice day. See you in the next one.